The Red Lion RJS-50-PREM jet pump delivers dependable water pressure for shallow wells, making it a strong choice for rural homes, farms, and cabins with modest demand. Its heavy cast iron body and volute give the pump a solid, long-lasting feel that stands up well to continuous duty and rougher installation environments. The motor can be wired for either 115 volts or 230 volts, which makes it flexible to match existing electrical service without needing special equipment. With a half-horsepower rating and a flow of about 12 gallons per minute, it handles everyday household fixtures, small irrigation zones, and livestock waterers reliably. The included pressure switch and gauge arrive pre-configured, so the system builds and maintains household-style pressure without a lot of extra setup work. Overall, the combination of durable construction, adaptable power options, and steady performance makes this pump a practical upgrade for many shallow well systems.